This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta quickly at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 large eggs. Combine them and knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, wrap your dough and let it rest at room temperature for at least 15 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a tender texture and easier rolling. Once rested, divide your dough into manageable portions. Lightly flour your work surface and roll each piece to about 1/16 of an inch thickness. You can use a pasta machine for consistent sheets or a rolling pin for a more rustic feel. Then, cut your pasta into your favorite shapes, such as fettuccine or spaghetti. Remember to flour the cut pasta to prevent sticking before cooking. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and stir gently to prevent sticking. Fresh pasta cooks incredibly fast, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes, depending on its thickness. Cook until it's al dente, meaning it's tender but still has a slight bite. Drain quickly and immediately toss with your warm sauce for the best flavor and texture. For even quicker pasta making, try preparing your ingredients ahead of time. A food processor can mix your dough in under 5 minutes, saving you valuable kneading time. Don't forget to generously salt your cooking water. It truly enhances the pasta's flavor. And speaking of great finds, check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, plus other deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.